RB, so this person wants to know, how can I get over my commitment issues in both my relationships, professional, and also in business?
So if we have a commitment issue in our personal life and our business life and life in general, usually stems from some kind of letdown that took place earlier on in life, right? Maybe it's childhood, maybe you're a teenager, maybe it was just a few years ago, where you were fully committed and then bam, you were just out of the blue, you were sidetracked and you didn't even see it coming, and boom, they got you. Divorced, left you, cheated on you, rejected you, you lost a job, whatever it is, right? The partner squandered all this money and then poof, disappeared. And then so you're like, I'm never gonna get a business partner again, or I'm never gonna get married again. Well, okay, but how's your quality of life gonna go? Probably not well. And so if someone's got commitment issues, they have to go back and heal whatever gave them that commitment issue in the first place. Mm-hmm. Part of the healing is learning how to choose the right partner in your personal life and your business life. You know this, you've been around in my life long enough to know that I've had a lot of shitty business partners that have, made bad decisions in my business with me, and I've had to part ways with them. Some of them I don't even have relationships with anymore. Like, they were that horrible in terms of squandering our money. Because of them, I've learned to make better choices. I know now what to look for. I can see red flag indicators of a bad partner from a mile away, right? And I've worked with a therapist to get over my commitment issues, right? Like, I realize, like, life is better when you have a team, when you work cohesively with the team, not when I keep everybody at arm's length away. And so whether it's in my family and personal life, I want people to be close to me. Whether it's my business life, I want people to be close to me. I don't want to just like work with you, but if you have like a personal life problem, be like, sorry, Leighton, can't help you with that. Can't be an ear for you to talk to. That's stupid, because like I have commitment issues. Nah, bro. And so you make the right decisions with the people that you're going to choose because of the bad decisions that you made in the past, both in your personal life and your business life. But the way you're going to get over it is either doing the self-work on your own or doing the work with a good therapist or counselor who can help you get over the commitment issues. But it's likely that you were traumatized in some way, which sucks. I'm laughing about it because God knows I should have all types of commitment issues. Like, I've been cheated on and in the past, and I've had shitty business partners, but I continue to move forward because I've also done the work to heal. And I think that's what's missing for most people.